Minshas world. I am Minsha. Today I am going to make a special mango smoothie. 3 minute, 3 ingredients juice. Shall I say the ingredients? Mango, freezed milk, yogurt, sugar. Next we can put our items into the mixer. Mango, freezed milk, yogurt, sugar for taste. Now our mango smoothie is ready. Next, we can serve it into a glass. Now, time to taste. Super taste, yummy. And you need to must try today. So, thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button.